It is time to know your dog well.
Today our lesson going to be an enjoyable one.
The video is all about
The parts of the body of
a dog.
This is the guy. He will help you to learn the lesson. Dogs have different body parts. They have so much more that we don't. These are whiskers. They are short and thin. They can see in the dark with the help of whiskers.
Next to whiskers, there are cheeks. This is nose. You already know that.
This part called muzzle. It is right above the nose. Then you can see eyes. Do you know dogs can see only few colors?
They are black, white, yellow and blue. This area is nape.
It is little bit high than the other areas.
This area is called stop.
It is little bit higher in the forehead.
Then you will find its neck. Actually, it is called crest.
These are withers. When they are scared, withers shake.
This whole area called chest. This is his back.
Tail. They are wagging tail to show their love.
This area is thigh. Then the belly area.
These are paws. They place on the ground.
They like to keep paws wet. These are its claws. See their sharp nails?
Back feet are called hind feet.
Front feet are called forefeet. These are shoulders.
This is hock. It is very hard.
Fur. Nails, nape, tail, hind feet, thigh, forefeet, hock, back, cheeks, whiskers, eye, chest, nose, neck, crest, gloves, paws, belly, stop, muzzle, this, shoulders, fur. You know how to pet them, how to feed them, how to love them, but you should know something more about them.
That's why we make this video.
Thank you for watching our channel.
Please like us,
Subscribe us.
comment us.
Thank you.
Bye bye.